origins and distribution, and then explored the rich and varied world of metaphysical beliefs and practices associated with tektites. It's important now to take a step back and consider an unbiased perspective on all of this. How can we reconcile these two seemingly disparate ways of understanding these fascinating objects?
That's a crucial point, yeah. We need to appreciate and respect the distinct frameworks through which science and metaphysics operate. Science, through rigorous observation, precise measurement, and controlled experimentation, has developed a robust and well-supported consensus regarding the impact origin of tektites. Their unique physical and chemical properties provide a coherent and testable narrative of their formation.
Science deals with the measurable, the testable, and on the other side of the spectrum.
Metaphysical properties and healing claims, while holding deep meaning and value for those who subscribe to them, are not, by their nature, scientifically proven or empirically verifiable. The belief in crystal energy and its effects operates within a different paradigm, one that often views the natural world as being imbued with subtle spiritual energies or forces a perspective that falls outside the current scope of scientific inquiry.
So science just doesn't have the tools to measure spiritual energy as described in these beliefs.
Essentially, yes. Positive experiences reported by individuals who work with tektites may be influenced by a variety of factors, including the power of belief and the well-documented placebo effect. For individuals who hold these beliefs, the truth of the metaphysical properties often lies in their lived experiences, their intuition, and the traditions and belief systems they embrace.
And from a social science or anthropological view?
Right, from an anthropological perspective, these beliefs are themselves significant cultural phenomena, worthy of study and understanding in their own right. They exist, they shape behavior, they provide meaning.
So it's about recognizing the different lenses through which we can view and interpret these objects, different kinds of truth, maybe?
Exactly. It's important to clearly distinguish between scientific fact, the observable, measurable, and testable data concerning their material nature and origin, cultural belief, and folklore, the diverse stories, meanings, and attributed powers that have been associated with them across different cultures and throughout history and personal experience, the subjective feelings, sensations, and effects that individuals may report when interacting with tektites. All three are part of the tektite story, in a way.
What do you believe accounts for the enduring allure of tektites, this captivating fascination that seems to bridge both the scientific and the spiritual realms? Why are people still so drawn to them?
I believe it's a confluence of several factors. Their dramatic and scientifically validated cosmic origin inherently links them to the vastness and profound mysteries of the universe. That alone is pretty compelling.
They came from space.
Sort of, yeah. Formed by space impacts. Their unique and often strikingly beautiful appearance naturally sparks human curiosity and aesthetic appreciation. They just look cool.
They really do.
Their long and storied history within various cultures imbues them with a sense of ancient mystique and perceived power. They also tap into fundamental human questions about our origins, our place within the cosmos, and the very nature of reality itself.
Big questions.
Big questions. In a way, tektites reside at this fascinating intersection where the known universe, the current limits of our scientific understanding, and the boundless realm of human imagination all converge. This makes them prime candidates for both continued scientific investigation and ongoing spiritual interpretation.
That's a beautifully articulated perspective. So to bring our deep dive to a close, what are the essential key takeaways that you'd like our listeners to remember about these enigmatic stones from the sky?
In essence, tektites stand as both remarkable scientific wonders forged in the immense energy of ancient cosmic impacts and offering invaluable insights into Earth's history.
The science part.
Right. And as culturally significant objects imbued with rich layers of meaning and a diverse array of metaphysical properties across a wide spectrum of societies and belief systems.
The human meaning part. And the crucial understanding to carry forward is
to appreciate and respect the fundamental distinction between the well-established scientific explanations of their formation and the deeply held metaphysical beliefs attributed to their powers, while also acknowledging that both of these perspectives contribute to the enduring enigma and captivating nature of tektites. It's okay for both to exist.
So as you navigate your day, perhaps you'll encounter an ordinary object. Take a moment to consider how that object might hold both a scientific explanation for its existence and a layer of personal significance, a meaning that resonates uniquely within your own experience. Perhaps ponder your own boundary objects, those things that somehow bridge the objective and subjective realities of your life.
A truly fascinating thought to carry with you, and we sincerely hope that this deep dive has sparked your own sense of wonder and perhaps inspired you to delve even further into this truly unique and captivating topic.